Hey guys, it's Amber, and I wanted to do a Heidi Swapp unboxing. I also am testing some new light sources. I've always had one on my left, now I also have one on my right, so it should be really nice and bright for you guys, like crazy bright. So I don't usually buy a ton of stuff from Heidi Swapp. However, their Halloween collection was to die for, and I didn't actually open this yet. This was like this in the box, but I'm excited to share with you guys. Anywho, it's a 6x8 kit, and someone asked me recently on Instagram if I was going to do an October daily this year, and I was like, I don't know. And I have decided, yes, I will, because I will be in Florida for the first 2 days, and then we'll also be visiting Salem as a family for a couple days, and I figure I need to start using up this stash of things I've collected. I bought this before I even knew I was doing October daily, let's put it that way. So the Halloween kit comes with this pretty decent sized stack of 6x8 papers. I'm going to open that in a minute. This tag set, these 2 washies, there's like a red, orange, white, these super cute puppy stickers, and these word phrase stickers. I love when people design these with 2 different colors in mind. That way you can use the same set and not have all one color. It just makes sense. So those are stinking adorable. Might as well open these real quick. So this one looks like it is, these are actually like tags inside pockets that have a thing. Yeah, that is just so cute. And if you didn't want it to be tan, you could flip it over, you could make it black, you know, whatever you wanted to do. But that is adorable. And then this one says October. So awesome. And I also added on her stamp set. And I think there was 2 stamp options. I went with one of them, if I remember correctly. It's been a little while since I ordered this, so I'm not sure. But I believe that the paper kit had 2 of everything, so. Oh, maybe not, just everything's double-sided. So I have a stripe here with kind of like a fabric background, and then like an orange. Got an orange stripe with dots, and then this beautiful blue music notes with this white. I love these textured patterns. They remind me of old school basic gray. This super cute spider web. This makes me want to do a 6x8 album. I already decided I was going to try to do a 4x8 traveler's notebook size from Life Crafted, but I might be rethinking that. Here's gray. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Black and white polka dots. Look at these ghosts, you guys. Oh, so cute. Black stripe. This also has like a canvasy kind of pattern. It's like a teal. Got a notebook sheet with a darker green. These cats with the music note at the bottom on the back of the orange. Oh, it does go. There's 2 of everything. Okay. This is so good. Like, so good. I love it. And so she had free shipping for orders over $75. So I also ordered this 3x4 stamp in her handwriting that I've been wanting for a while. There's also an uppercase one, I believe, that was for subscribers only. So eventually that will hopefully become for sale. And then you guys, look at how cute this is. It's so universal. But like, I love her handwriting. Like, you could use the candies for December daily or Easter, which is kind of what I was thinking. And I just figured this is such a good universal set. Like, I have cats, I figured that would work great. But there's bats, the pumpkin. The only thing that's funny is that there's not a little spider to go on the spider web, but oops. But that's okay. And then this says Happy Halloween, the beware in her handwriting, the trick or treat yourself, the ghost. And then this is kind of like an edge detail, which will be cute. But yeah, I had to have it. And then to get myself over the mark, I didn't really need any inks at the time, which she offers, but I got these EK tools, which I love their punches, and currently I have them in 1 up to 2.5 inch. use them all the time. I really prefer this design for how slim it is, like easy to store, and I just thought it'd be nice to round out my circles with a 3/4 and a 1/2 inch, especially the 1/2 inch for Ellie Edwards stuff. When she has big tags, she has big holes at the top, so that'll be fun to have. So just wanted to share, thought it'd be really fun, and I will be excited to go over some more October daily stuff with you in the future. Thanks so much.